Hi students, I wanted to show you how to do step 1 of your speaking assessment. So I'm going to go to classwork and I've moved it to week 6, right here, week 6, step 1, fun speaking assessment practice. So it says, go to the metrocontinuingeducation.ca. Click on Personal and Professional Enrichment. Scroll down to find a course you would like to take, listed in the public comments below. So by the comments, I mean right here. So it says that there are Iman, Salam, Rahima, Dan, and Dagan who have commented. That's only 5 students. So I'm missing a lot of comments. So when you've done, you're going to add your comment right here. So I will close that right now. And I am going to go do the activity. So I've copied down these steps in my notebook. And I'm going to click on Metro because it said go to metrocontinuingeducation.ca. And I'm going to scroll down if I can see the personal interest courses. Keep scrolling. No, I don't see it, so I need to click on the menu. And now I see the personal and professional courses. Okay. Looks like they might be cooking. Here we go. So now I can scroll down, and I see that there are cooking classes, art classes, languages, passions and pastimes, and online learning. So I see that, okay, what am I going to do? I think I'm going to check the passions and pastimes. Oh, looks like they've got guitar, all kinds of courses down here that I could take. If I don't like that, I can go back and I can check I can arrow back, and I might want to check the online part for courses. When I'm done, I write down the information about the class. Maybe it's a language class, and I am going to go back to my classroom and I am going to add my comment here. So I can add my comment, whatever it is I would like to take, whatever your class is, and then you click send. Okay, but then what you need to do is you need to go to view assignment and you need to mark as done. All right, so that is how you do step 1, fun speaking assessment practice.